Hello guys, welcome back once again. Jagrat this side. So in the today's session, we will discuss some another implementation, and the implementation is like we need to remove the duplicate from array list. In the previous session, we saw that how to remove the duplicates from array. So in this session, we will see how to remove the duplicates from array list. So the problem is like that we have an array list in which some integers are there and some duplicates are also there. So we need to remove those duplicates and we need to put only the unique elements. So this is today's problem. So before discussing the problem, I am assuming that you guys know about the array list because I'm not going to demonstrate the theoretical part of array list. If you don't know, I will recommend there are lots of online resources are available. Please firstly, understand about the array list and come to this part. So in this session, I will only concentrate on the implementation part. So what is the best approach? So if you want to implement this concept, so we need to little bit, think about the, we need to know about the collections part also. So the best approach is like we can convert the list into set and then we can directly print that particular set. So there are two concepts here. First is the array list and second is the set. So why I'm choosing here the set? Because set contains no duplicate elements. So that's why if we have an array list and in that particular array list there are some duplicate elements, so firstly we will convert that array list into the set and we can directly print that set because as I said, set contains no duplicate elements. So let's start the implementation. So firstly, I am implementing the array list. So array list L is equal to new array list. I'm defining array list and let me add some elements. So we need to import it. And now how can we add the elements? With the help of add method. So that's why I am saying that if you don't know about the array list or set, please go through some online resources and firstly understand it and then come here so that you can easily understand what I am doing here. So I am adding some elements. So let us suppose the first element was 10, second element was again 10, then 20, let us suppose, and then 30, and then 50, and let us suppose one more element I am adding, that is 50. So you can see that 2 times here, 52 times here. Okay, so in our original array list, what would be the array list? 10, 10, 20, 30, 50, 50. But what would be the output? 10, 20, 30, 50. So in this way, like we will remove the, array list. So now let me print this array list. So original list is, so that you guys can easily see the difference between the original list and after list. Okay, so that's it. Now L. Okay, and let me do one more thing. We can create a separate line also. That's it. So this way, like, we can print the original list. Now, as I said, we need to convert this array list to set. So firstly, we need to define a set. So hash set s is equal to new hash set. I defined it. Now we need to import it. That's it. Now here the important point is, how can we convert any array list into the set? Any list, if you want to convert any lists to set, how can we do that? So we have already created the reference object. Now there is a method, that is add all method. So with the help of this, we can easily convert list to set, and here we will pass our list. And what will be the list object? L. So here we will pass L. So I am writing here, for this, converting list to set. That's it. Now we can directly print this set. Now there are the different possibilities. Okay, so I will tell you all the possibilities. Now let us suppose I can directly print this set, as I said, with in our approach. So after removing elements R, and we can directly print this S. That's it. So this is the simplest implementation. Now if you will call this, function like this, and you will run this, then you can see the required output. So let me check. Yeah, so you can see that the original list is 10, 10, 20, 30, 50, 50. And you can see that after removing elements, this is 50, 20, 10, 30. It means duplicates are removed. Okay. Now, interviewer can say that, okay, we took the list, but you are printing a set. So I need only list as an output. Interviewer can ask this thing. So what you will do, no problem for that. What you will do, I converted this list to set. Now after removing duplicate, we can also convert this set to list. So this is the important thing that you guys need to know. Okay, so you can easily convert this particular we can say set to list. Simplest approach. So let me show that thing also, but this is the other thing. Okay, so if interviewer will ask, then you can implement that thing, otherwise there is no problem. What will be the whatever the input and output is there, that is fine. Okay, but just knowledge point of view, I am demonstrating this thing. So array list, again I am array list I am creating. Okay, so array list f1 is equal to new array list, and array list is also there. Now again the same thing, f1 dot add all. So add all, and here we can pass this set. So with the help of this, what we can do, we are converting set to list. So two important concepts apart from this implementation we need to learn, that how can we convert list to set and how can we convert set to list. So that's why I told you this concept. So this is the thing, and now again we can print this, and here we can print F1. Simplest thing. So if we can like if we commented this line, so we converted list to set, okay, and then again set to list, and then now let's run this program and let's see. So you can see now whatever this thing is there, that is list, this is not set. Okay, so that's why I told you this concept, because you can easily know like how to convert list to set, and then how can we convert set to list apart from this implementation. That's why I told you this concept. So one more thing I just want to tell, let me comment out all these things and uncomment this. So you can see that the output is not in sorted format. Okay, because I used has set here. But if I will use, let me copy this thing, just see the output difference also. Let us suppose if interviewer will say that okay, so this output is not in sorted format, but you need to show the output in sorted format, then how you can do it? These type of cross question, at the time of interviewer generally ask to check the code tweaking as well as the architectural level knowledge, to know the architectural level knowledge of the candidates. So you must know about it. So instead of has set, if I will use linked has set, if I will use linked has set, then just see the difference in the output. Previously output was this, now see the output. See, now our output is in sorted format and the duplicates are also removed. So these are the very important thing. But yes, of course, if you don't know about collections, and inside collections like ArrayList set, has set, linked has set, I would recommend firstly, please understand all these concepts and then come to the implementation part. And you can easily see that how easy the implementation is. So that's all for this session. So in the next session, I will come up with another interesting problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.